Why do 100% of termites have a peculiar way of handling death? Prepare to be amazed. Termites, those tiny architects of the underworld, have a unique way of dealing with their dead. Instead of carrying the bodies away, they perform a ritual known as corpse burying. When a termite dies, its colony members quickly get to work using soil, wood particles, or whatever materials are handy to entomb the deceased. But why go through all this trouble? Well, it's all about hygiene and survival. By sealing off the dead, termites prevent the spread of harmful pathogens that could wipe out the entire colony. It's an instinctive act of self-preservation and communal care. Fascinating, right? So next time you think of termites, remember they aren't just pests, they're meticulous and caring creatures. Nature's tiniest undertakers, ensuring their community stays healthy and strong. Now that's something to marvel at.